In a gathering organized under the banner of Jagrutha Karnataka at Freedom Park, Bangalore, former RSS and BJP functionaries united with a common message. They highlighted the dangers of hate-driven politics perpetuated by RSS and BJP, emphasizing the need for people to remain vigilant and distance themselves from such ideologies. Addressing the audience, former RSS functionary and Karnataka High Court advocate Sudheer Kumar Murali denounced the distortion of Hinduism by RSS and BJP, stressing that the true essence of Hinduism is not represented by these organizations. At the event, Sudheer Kumar emphasized the belief in Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam and Vishwa Manava, contrasting it with RSS's advocacy of Hindutva politics. He underscored Hinduism as an indigenous way of life, contrasting it with Hindutva, which he characterized as a political ideology imported from Europe. According to Sudheer Kumar, RSS's ideology aligns more closely with Hitler's, while the people of India are upholding the values of Gandhi, Ambedkar, Basavanna, Kanakadasa, Shishunala Sharif and Kuvempu in their resistance against it. Hundreds of former RSS and BJP workers attended the meeting, expressing their concerns over the divisive tactics employed by the saffron forces and reaffirming their commitment to Karnataka's values of justice, freedom, equality and fraternity.
Of course, it is a way of life. But whereas RSS definition of Hindu Dharma is a political agenda, it is not a spiritual agenda. For our Hindu Dharma, of course, our Shrutis, Vasudhaiva, Shrutis advocated about the Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Shrutis advocated about the Shrunuvantu Vishwa Manava Tattva. Whereas RSS is advocating about a political agenda of Hindutva. So we are very clearly differentiating Hindutva versus Hindu Dharma. Of course, Hindu Dharma is from the land of India, whereas Hindutva is brought from European ideology. So whereas these RSS group belongs to or supporters of Hitler ideology, and we are confronting RSS that through our ideology of Kanakadasa, ideology of Shishunala Sharif, ideology of Basavanna, ideology of Kuvempu, ideology of Gandhi, ideology of Ambedkar. That's it.